Hi guys, welcome back. Okay, so we are picking up where we left off. So now we're going to finish this slideshow. Wasn't that a great video by Tim and Moby? All right, how do we know that a text is nonfiction? Well, nonfiction means not fake or real, so this will be a clue. If you see a photograph taken by a camera that looks like a real place, that might be a clue that you're looking at a nonfiction book. Also, nonfiction books have facts. They have true information, and they also have events that really happened. So the first thing we're going to go back to from that video is the title. The title names the book. So you'll find the title of a book on the front cover of the book, and you'll also find it on the title page, which is the first page inside of a book. The next text feature that we're going to talk about is a heading. If you'll notice, this heading is bold and it's at the top of the information. So the heading helps you find the information easily, and it gives you an idea of what you're going to be reading about in that section. So what do you think would be a good heading for a page about the picture right here on the left? What would be a good heading? Sea turtles. Yeah, or something like that would be a good heading to put at the top here. And then the rest of the information would be about sea turtles. The last nonfiction text feature that we're going to talk about tonight is the table of contents. If you'll notice on the left, you see the topics. And on the right, you see the word page, because that's where you'll find the page number that these topics begin on. Dolphins begins on page 2. Notice how I followed from left to right to find the page number. So let's see, what page would whales start on? Starts on page 6. Sea plants start on page 10. And the underwater food chain starts on page 12. That's how you use the table of contents. If you wanted to just know about whales, you could open to the table of contents, find the word whales, and then move your finger over until you find what page whales begins on. And then you would flip to page 6 in the book to read about whales. All right, guys, now you are ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow we're going to do some really fun things with nonfiction text features. You're going to get a nonfiction book to hold in your hand and some sticky notes to place on these nonfiction text features that you learned about tonight. So thanks for being prepared. I'll see you tomorrow.